This time, I want to talk about properties of the operations on integers. Knowledge about these properties will help the students strengthen their abilities to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. The first property is closure property. For example, we have 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 3 times 5 equals 15. If we are adding two integers, the answer is also an integer. If we are multiplying two integers, the answer is also integer. So if we have a and b that are integers, a plus b, the answer is also an integer. And a times b, the answer for this is also an integer. Closure property is closed under addition and multiplication. Number 2, we have commutative. We have commutative property of addition. If we have 3 plus 5 equals 8, we can have also 5 plus 3 equals 8. In other words, changing the order of the integers will never change the value. Therefore, if you have a plus b, it is also equal to b plus a. The third one is we have commutative property of multiplication. So if we have 3 times 5 equals 15, we can interchange the order of 3 and 5. We can say 5 times 3 equals 15. The value will never change. Therefore, we say that if we have an integer a multiplied by an integer b, the answer is the same as b times a. Let's have number 4. We have associative property of addition. Example, we have 3 plus 5 plus 4, 3 plus 5 plus 4. Let us associate these numbers and this also by following PEMDAS. We have to solve first what is inside the parentheses. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3, that is 12. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 4, that is 12. So by this example, we can conclude that a plus b plus c is a plus b plus c. Associate a and b, associate b and c. The result here is still the same. Number 5. we have associative property of multiplication. So for example, 3 times 5 times 4, associate 5 and 4. Okay, 3 times 5 times 4, associate 3 and 5. Solve first inside the parentheses. 5 times 4, 20. Times 3, 60. 3 times 5, 15. Times 4, 60. 60 equals 60. So even if we associate any of these two numbers, and also at the right side, any of the two numbers, your product will still be the same. From this example, we can make our notation. A times B times C, group B and C, equals A times B times C, group A and B. The result of these two is still the same. Number 6. We have distributive property of multiplication over addition. Example, we have 3 times 6, that is 18. Let us split 6. Say 3 times 4 plus 2. And let us see if our answer here is still the same. Let us have 3 times 4, it is 12. 3 times 2, it is 6. 12 plus 6 equals 18. So we can have our notation here. If we have a number A multiplied by a number B plus C, the answer is just multiply A times B is AB plus A times C is AC. That is our product by applying distributive property of multiplication over addition. Number 7, we have additive identity. Let us have an illustrative example. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Here, a number added by 0 will give the value of that number. So in symbol, let us say a number A added by 0 is equal to A. And 0 here is our additive identity. Number 8. We have multiplicative identity property. For example, 5 times 1 equals 5. So if we are going to multiply a number by 1, the answer is that number. We have A multiplied by 1, the answer is A. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Number 9. We have additive inverse property. Example, we have 5. The additive inverse of 5 is negative 5. And if we add these two, the answer is 0. any number A added by its additive inverse negative A, the answer is 0. The additive inverse here is negative A. The last one we have multiplicative inverse property. If we have a number, let us say 6, and its reciprocal is 1/6. Multiply this, we get 1. 1/6 is called the multiplicative inverse. Here we could say our notation will be A multiplied by its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. The result is always 1. That's all. Thank you very much. I hope you learned a lot.